Hello and welcome back to another episode of Cake Talk TV. My name is Christina and I own Aspen Charm Cakes and Pastries here in Denver, Colorado. And I help cake designers start and grow an amazing cake business that they love, attracting high-end cake clients to their business and charging premium prices, $8 to $12 per slice. And I love helping cake designers just grow their business and really just experience the type of fun and excitement a cake business should really have. Because trust me, I've been on the ugly side of growing a cake business, the stress side, just really not sure if this is really going to work out. And you should really have a cake business that you love. If you are new here, then hello again. My name is Christina. Make sure that you subscribe down below so you never miss another episode of Cake Talk TV. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I've seen so many questions on. It's crazy. And that's going to be, what should you wear to your cake consultations? Now, for some reason, this is just a big topic. I find that it's going to be for the cake designer that's really looking to grow their cake business and really just start to put their mark in their local area, in their industry, and start to really take their business a little bit seriously. Or if you're looking to really think about if you're changing your ideal customer to where you're attracting budget customers in your cake business right now, and you want to attract high-end cake customers, what changes do I need to make? Because if you're attracting budget customers, best believe you need to make some changes in your cake business, and your attire can really take a part in this. But I want to kind of give you my personal opinion on what you should wear to a cake consultation. So here's the thing. I believe that if you start your own business, you have full range to really conduct your business in any way that makes you feel good, makes you feel yourself, and makes you feel really like you're in your element in your business. And you don't really have to follow the rules that someone has set and follow something that doesn't really feel good to you. The reason why I say this, I find that some cake designers would like to wear like a chef's jacket or anything like that, and they may or may not like have gone to school. There's like a whole controversy around that. So they'll say, okay, I'm gonna wear like a chef's jacket to really make me feel more like more professional, or more like I'm supposed to be here. And then there's gonna be other people saying, you know what, I'm gonna put on a t-shirt that's branded, it has my logo on here, and I'm gonna feel good about that, and that's what I wear. I want you to really think about it in this way. What's going to make me feel really good and make me feel like I'm at my best and that I am here to design my customers' cakes? That's the attire that I want you to wear for your cake business. If that's going to be a chef's jacket that where it has your beautiful logo on there and it makes you feel really proud and really good, then wear that. But don't wear a chef's jacket to wear it just because you think you're supposed to. That's what I really want to convey here. You want to wear things that make you feel really good and really just an expression of who you are as an entrepreneur. Now for me, I like wearing something that's going to be a little step up from like a creative, sassy, business casual type outfit. I like being a creative dresser in my cake business, just as a person in general. And I like to really portray that inside of my cake consultations. So I might wear something like this, something that's going to be kind of fun, but really just something that I feel I put some energy and some effort into that. I might wear like a hot pink blazer, with a nice t-shirt, with some cool shoes or something. Or I might dress in all black, thinking I'm just going to do all black with some gold today. I'm that type of person to where I find I feel good in what I'm wearing by wearing things that I'm already comfortable with that I would wear just like an upscale version if I'm going to a networking event. And as a creative entrepreneur, I want you to think about it in that way. Don't think that you have to follow a certain type of rule in order to really get it right. Because if you're doing something in your cake business that doesn't feel right or doesn't really feel true to you, then my recommendation is to try something else and to do something that makes you feel really good. If it's going to be a polo with your company logo on there and you feel really good about that, you don't have to think about things like that, then go ahead and wear a company logoed polo or a t-shirt. Wear the chef's jacket. Wear something that makes you feel cool, makes you feel like, this is an expression of who I am as a creative entrepreneur. And I want you to take that type of attitude in your business. It's going to work wonders, and you're going to attract people who love that about you and want to actually work with you. That's the thing. You're going to attract people who want to do business with you because you're being true to yourself. That's going to be my take on what you should wear to your cake consultations. As long as you feel good, you look good, you're going to exude that confidence, and people are really going to feel that. So if you have any questions about this, or what do you actually wear for your cake consultations, comment down below. This always gets just like a really interesting conversation I've found, and that's my take, and I feel like that's a good take to have. But some people, think it should be this way, or what do you wear? And do you feel good in whatever you are wearing in your cake business? I'd love to know down below. I look at the comments and I reply to them as well. And if you are looking to really have and attract the high-end cake customers to your cake business, then I want you to grab my free ebook, The 4 Strategies to Attract High-End Cake Customers to Your Business. It's linked down below. It's going to give you my 4 best strategies for you to attract your high-end cake customers to your business. And it's inside the Cake and Success business library, and it has tons of guides, checklists, ebooks in there so you can learn how to grow a profitable cake business. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe down below, and I will see you in another episode of Cake Talk TV.